Article 11. Justifying circumstances. Number 1. Anyone who acts in defense of his person or right, provided the following circumstances concur. First, unlawful aggression. Second, reasonable necessity of the means employed to prevent or repel it. Third, lack of sufficient provocation on the part of person defending himself. Number 2. Anyone who acts in defense of the person or right of his spouse, ascendants, descendants, or legitimate, natural, or adoptive brother or sister, or of his relatives by affinity in the same degree, and those by consanguinity within the fourth civil degree, provided that the first and second requisite prescribed in the next preceding circumstances are present, and the further requisite in case the provocation was given by the person attacked, that the one making defense had no part therein. Number 3. Any person who acts in defense of the person or right of a stranger, provided that the first and second requisite mentioned in the first circumstances of this article are present, and that the person defending be not induced by revenge, resentment, or other evil motive. Number 4. Any person who in order to avoid an evil or injury, an act which causes damages to another, provided that the following requisites are present. First, that the evil sought to be avoided actually exists. Second, that the injury feared be greater than to avoid it. Third is that there be no practical and less harmful means of preventing it. Number 5. Any person in fulfillment of a duty or in the lawful exercise of a right or office. And number 6, last, any person who acts in obedience to an order issued by superior for some lawful purposes. That's all. Thank you.